Dubb is now fully integrated with Salesforce. This is an integration that we have been working on for some time now, and it's gotten to a great evolution. There's activity reporting. There is the ability to create, send, track videos directly from Salesforce. And then, of course, the ability to create advanced reports directly within Salesforce, all based on your Dubb data. Darius?
Awesome. So, I mean, I am super excited about this, guys. We have many Salesforce users, and they're looking to always adopt their technologies and integrate them further. And one of the amazing things about Salesforce is the ability to view your analytics and your reporting and create those really cool dashboards. And so now Dubb fully, deeply integrates in with Salesforce so we can generate those reports, dashboards, as well as some really cool automatic API tracking. So I'm going to go ahead and show this for you guys here. And here we go, right into a screen share. Now, here is what the integration consists of. There's a couple components. The first component is the ability to record, send, and track a video right inside of Salesforce. So in here, when I'm composing an email, all I have to do is click the Dubb button there, and it gives me access to my library of videos. So anything I've pre-recorded, I can insert. I can also record a brand new video here right inside of Salesforce. And then, of course, these videos are ready to be inserted immediately into your Salesforce emails. Now, when these get sent, that's when component 2 kicks in, which is going to be the tracking. You can see down here, the activity reporting happens automatically through the API so that you get really detailed analytics for each of your videos into the events reporting in an automatic way. You can see here it shows the title, the percentage, the exact activity there. So this is the automatic tracking. You can also see here, there's an ability to manually track other types of activities. Like say if you guys have a specific campaign you're trying to monitor or track ROI or usage adoption, we can create specific activities and those will be manually logged. Now, we have this combination of both API activity and manually logged activity. And this is where the magic of Salesforce happens. And we're able to generate custom reports based on the data we just collected through the API and through manual logging. And so from these reports, if you guys are familiar with Salesforce, we have the ability to generate custom dashboards, which can show really any opportunity, any ROI, adoption, tracking, anything we're looking for here. Salesforce offers us an awesome ability to create these reports, and Dubb now has the ability to fill these reports with the data we're looking for in both an automatic or manual way if we need something custom. You can see any type of dashboard and analytic that we need to view is easy to build now through the API information, as well as some of the manual tracking. So that is the full integration, a highlight kind of overview, the creation, customization, tracking, and of course, the reporting here within the dashboards. So now I'm gonna actually break down each of these components just a little bit slower for you, which is gonna start from, of course, the creation component. So that part in here is, as I showed you guys, when composing an email, there is this Dubb button directly inside of Salesforce. This is actually provided through the Chrome extension. So as long as the extension is installed, you'll have the button right there inside of Salesforce. As I mentioned, this gives you the ability to select from existing videos. You can record something brand new, even check on activity reporting. You can also see it here. So multiple ways to get your follow-ups. And you're able to insert the videos with just one click. We can even put their first names on it, just like that, get some additional personalization. And then now, of course, when we send this video, the tracking is gonna happen automatically. It's gonna show us specifically when this video gets watched, clicked, and opened by this contact. And this activity reporting shows up automatically in the contact record here. So that's all of the activity reporting that happens automatically. And this is any way the video is sent, whether it's sent through Salesforce, LinkedIn, text message, social media, however you're sending these videos, the tracking can still take place and show up right there in the contact record. The other part of this is manual logging. So as part of Salesforce, many users like to manually log activities so that we can keep a better track of their activities and their ROI of the activities that they're performing. So here's where you have the opportunity to create some custom campaigns and custom task types, if you will, so that you can keep track of those for the dashboards we're going to build in the next steps. So manual tracking allows events to be created like so, such as sent a Dubb video through LinkedIn or sent one through email. Of course, as I mentioned, these are custom. These are just some examples that you can follow. Now, we've talked about all the different types of reports that are generated by Salesforce using either the API or the manual logged activity, which brings us really to that next component where we're able to analyze this data in a bulk setting. This information here is very valuable for the sales user themselves, right? The salesperson who's chasing accounts and following up with opportunities. That's what this information is here for. Now we're going to look at the information that's important to the sales manager, the VP of sales, the director of sales, where they want to see how their people are performing, how video is providing ROI into their business. So using all the information manually logged and automatically generated through the API is where we're going to create our reports. These report types are also custom based on what you're trying to see. Are you trying to see how opportunities tie into video, how LinkedIn activities by owner relate to opportunities? All these different report types are going to be based on what you're trying to see. So tons of customization. This is all provided within Salesforce of how you can generate these reports, and the Dubb data is what's populating the reports themselves. And now once you have pulled these reports, you're able to build dashboards from that data. So this is, again, more of a custom situation where you're adding the components that you want to see here in your dashboards based off of the data you've gathered together in your reports. So collect the information with the API and manual logging, gather the information into reports, and then view that information in a very easy, decipherable way, in whatever way, shape, or form your eyeballs and brain find it most digestible. So that is really the full picture of the Salesforce integration 2.0.
And we encourage people to configure this beautiful integration at this URL, dubb.com/settings/integrations. You will see that in your dashboard. This is a proprietary API sync that we've developed through a partnership with Salesforce. This has been approved, and we're very excited about the partnership that we do have with Salesforce. So we encourage you, if you are a Salesforce user, to go to that URL and to create that sync. The other thing that you might consider checking out is dubb.com/Salesforce. And that is a page that provides more information. It's got some valuable info, animated GIFs, a demo video, so on and so forth. Thank you so much for your support. Huge thanks to our friends at Salesforce, our partners over there. And we look forward to seeing you get results with Dubb for Salesforce. Thanks.
Thanks, guys.